Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in a voiceover to your videos on CapCut PC. So add in your video, for instance you're voiceovering this video, then select this record button which is here, and just select this record button and also select the input device, and also you can adjust the volume here as well. And you can enable echo reduction, and you can even mute the project. So press the red button to start recording. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to blah 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 blah. Press the square to end recording, and you can add in more recording from where you left off, as you can see. And that's basically it. As you can see, you have your voice recording here. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!